Hey all you fashionistas and all you budding fashion designers out there. Today on Make Your Mark, I am sharing some fun texture techniques for your fashion illustrations. I'm using Derwent's Chromaflow color pencils, and I'm even going to leave a link to my croquis so you can follow along and illustrate with me. These pencils are perfect for artists of all level because they're vibrant, high quality pencils with very rich pigments. And the leads are break resistant, so they're perfect for layering and for the textures that I'm sharing with you today. Thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this video or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's fashion illustrate. Derwent Chromaflow pencils feature a break-resistant core, so they're excellent for layering and this rubbing technique that we're learning today. Though I love sketching in a fancy journal with heavy, high-quality paper, I feel more comfortable doing my sketches on plain copy paper. This way I have no pressure to make a perfect sketch, and it's an inexpensive way to practice and practice. Couture fashion emerged in the 1860s, and fashion houses hired illustrators who would work directly with the couturier to sketch the new designs as the maestro draped the fabric onto a live model. From 1910 until the outbreak of World War II, the cover of Vogue always featured a fashion illustration. Check out your local dollar store for placemats and drawer liners with raised patterns. It's an inexpensive way to add some texture and dimension to your drawings. Fashion illustration began in the 16th century when global exploration and discovery led to a fascination with the dress and costume of people in different nations from around the world. I filled a Derwent push-button water brush with 1 drop of black ink and water to create the perfect gray shade. I'm going to leave a link to Derwent and Chromaflow and everything you need for this video. Thumbs up if you like this project, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like them, and I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.